I'm seeing you right here, very guarded here of yourself, but more likely protecting here your energy. It looks like parang may nagbago dito sa yung energy. So kung kayo to na dati parang naapektuhan kayo, no, ng mga nangyayari sa paligid ninyo, mga sinasabi ng mga tao, no, ng mga negative feedbacks, no, and all of the things na parang ganon, no, nakita ko dito na parang may changes doon. No? So I think you are no longer here someone na mabilis maapektuhan, lalo na kung negative iyon. So, very good, no? Very good energy yun, mga babes. No? So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Kasi, yun naman talaga yung isa sa mga key para, ma-unlock natin, no? Yung mga positive offers ng life. Yan. So, let us see more what is really happening here for my collective people. Thank you so much everyone ha, kasi palagyan kayong nandito and na-appreciate ko kayo kahit na minsan bulol-bulol tayo sa Tagalog. Maraming salamat sa mga umuunawa. At sa mga kasama ko since day one, simula na nagsimula ko no, sa channel ko, yan no, alam na nila yan. Sanay na sila. So let us, okay, let us see. Oh, Empress right away. And the world card right here looks like something big right here is going on in your life or is already naturally going on sa inyong buhay dito. No? So you're appearing here as the Empress energy. Yan ay isang klase ng energy kung saan talagang may glow up dito mga babes. No? At ito ay evidently seen. Yan, no? Ibig sabihin, kitang-kita no nakasisilaw ito no and you've got here your fans. Yan mga babes no. So hindi ibig sabihin no na kayo ay social media influencer or kayo ay sikat no sa inyong platform or whatever no. Ibig sabihin nun, nakikita ko dito na marami ditong people around you na nakaka-notice or nakakapansin nitong major glow up ninyo. So let me get more information about this para maikuda or maiki-share ko sa inyo, no? So, we have here this Sun card energy. Wow, you've got here already three major arcanas, no? The Sun, the World card, and the Empress. Very beautiful energy. So, let's see more. Six of Wands, yeah. See, Three of Coins energy. You know, Three of Coins energy, no, is usually that kind of energy, no, na you are working here harmoniously with other people. But here, mag-isa ka lang dyan, no? Pero, ang ganda, no? Ang ganda ng pagkakabuild mo rito, no? Sa ginagawa mo na to. It looks like this is you. You no longer need someone's help, no? Mapatrabaho, mapapersonal rito ng mga kinakaharap mo sa life, no? Kaya mo pala yan on your own. So, you're doing right here, no? Na talagang maganda, no, yung nakikita ko rito na takbo ng iyong life, no, sa trabaho, sa iyong personal na buhay, no, see, we have here this Four of Coins energy, I mean the Four of Wands, no, pero na-mention ko yung Four of Coins. Four of Coins energy is like you're holding here, no, a lot of success and you will be successful or more successful in the future. And I'm picking up right here, no, na posibleng ito ay nagsisimula na kamakailan lang or nagsisimula na ngayon or magsisimula na, yes, 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 na this 2025 right here, mga babes. So, what are you doing? What did you do here sa inyong sarili? Yun ang tanong ng mga fans mo dito. These people right here are really, no? Parang nagkakagulo sila rito, no? Parang yung energy nila rito is hindi yung literal na nagkakagulo rito na parang artista kayo or whatever, no? Pero nagkakagulo sila rito out of curiosity. What did you do here sa yourself? You know, they wanna know, diba? So, let's keep moving. So, we have here this Three of Yasi. Three of Cups energy. Bottom of the deck, Nine of Swords energy. Ace of Pentacles, wow, you've got here two aces and you have here a lot of new beginnings and new chapter here. So, definitely you're heading here towards abundance. Wow, prosperity. So, before we start digging more dito sa inyong reading, no, let me just greet everybody muna. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. My name is Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang suporta. And yes, yun nga mga babes, no? Wala tayong gender po dito. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung roles kung gusto ninyo since ito po ay isang general reading. And syempre, at the end of the day, na mayroon po kayong free will na malaya ninyong gamitin anytime anywhere. So, yun nga mga babes, if you happen na hindi nyo pa nalalaman or nanonows, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below ng ating description box, no, sa reading na ito. Makikita nyo dyan ng link, no, papunta doon sa other channel. So, dun sa doll name, yun ang name ng channel mga babes, no, meaning Goddess of the Moon in Korean, no, meron din tayong mga ina-upload na daily collective readings. No? So, after nito, no, meron din tayong reading na i-upload there. Kaya naman, pwede kayong umistambay din all you want. So, just take how this resonates. So, dito, nakikita ko dito mga babes na parang, wow, mukhang kailangan mo ulit, no? I-reintroduce ang iyong sarili. Reintroduce, yes, na parang kailangan mo ulit ipakilala rito ang sarili mo, babes, no? Because nakikita ko rito na meron ditong mga nangyayaring hindi kakaiba, hindi rin naman kagulat-gulat, pero sa ibang tao, kamangha-mangha yung nangyayari dito sa life mo. Yes, 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 yes. This is you, pwedeng na-notice mo na yung situations ng life mo ay gumaan. Nagiging pabor dito yung mga bagay na hindi pabor sa inyo noon. It looks like everything right here is mas simple na ngayon, mas madaling gawin, no? Mas maayos yung buhay mo, mas may pinansyal ka or pag-angat ka dito sa pinansyal, mas na-achieve mo ng mabilis sa mga bagay-bagay. Those are improvements, no? Those are healthy and positive improvements here in your life, no? And it's noticeable, noticeable mga babes, no, kapansin-pansin. Yes, napapansin mo rin yan rito, no, pero mas napapansin ito ng mga tao sa paligid mo. No? So, I do not know, meron ba ditong parang celebration? Reunion, gathering, family man yan, friends, or with other people right here na nasa life mo, I think you need to reintroduce here yourselves, no? Yes, yung iba sa inyo, nag-glow up talaga yung skin ninyo, iba sa inyo na possible na meron talaga kayong inayos sa inyong physical appearance, pero it's more than that, no? Talagang iba yung dating ninyo, iba yung glow up ninyo dito, iba talaga, no? Like parang, sino ka? Hindi ka namin kilala, pero ang ganda mo, bes. Yan, no? Like, sino kang gwapo mo? Grabe, no? Pero it's more than dun. It's the energies speaking sa'yo. It's your aura. It's your vibrational frequency really standing out right here. This is you. Empress energy, mapalalaki, mapababae, LGBT, of course, welcome din kayo. You're glowing inside and out. May success ka dito. Nabalitaan na nila yan about you, mga improvements sa iyong kaperahan, sa trabaho mo, might be promotions right here. You will be connecting or nakakonect ka dito sa mga people na tumutulong at nakasuporta sa iyong financial. Everything right here, no, parang nasa right track sa inyo. Plus, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng talagang literal na nakaka-LL sa buhay na talagang may pinayos kayo sa inyong self, no? Pwedeng mas pumuti kayo because I'm pertaining right here also sa changes sa inyong skin. Parang nagkaroon kayo rito ng healthy glow, no? Yung iba naman rito no, is parang, alam mo yun, no, less stress kayo, kitang-kita yun. Pwedeng nawala yung itim sa eye bags ninyo, yung mga dark eye circles, diba? So talagang less stress kayo, nakapag-unwind kayo rito, at yung iba talagang napaayos ninyo yung sarili ninyo, nakaka-LL kayo sa life. So yung iba sa inyo, since kasama niyo yung sarili ninyo everyday, although nakikita ninyo yung mga changes na ganyan, itong mga tao na to, no, na hindi kayo madalas nakikita, no? Mas napansin nila ngayon na talagang iba ka na, no? Nagbago ka, but in a positive way, no? Para ka dito naging version 5.0. Yes, ibig sabihin, ang laki ng nilaktaw mo. Usually, ang sinasabi ko, version 2.0 lang, honey. Pero dito, ikaw ay version 5.0. Wow, no? Unbelievable talaga sa mga taong ito, no? Na parang you turn these people right here, no? Like your fans, even though you are not a celebrity right here, even though you're not an artist, or even though you're not a social media influencer, no? This is you. You are really someone here na hindi na nila halos makilala, and you have a lot of beautiful chapters right here. No, you're heading towards this right path, this right track right here. It looks like you're stepping into this timeline of success, achievements coming your way. And these people right here, no, nakikita ko na nagiging curious sila about you. Gusto nila rito mga babes na makipagkwentuhan sa'yo, malaman ang iyong sikreto. Uy, ano ba yung sikreto mo? Pwede mo bang sabihin sa akin, sis? Or minsan, alam mo na ba, sobrang grabe, ibang-iba mo na. Baka naman gusto mo kong bigyan ng tips, advice dyan ang pwede kong gawin. And there will be a lot of people right here coming sa inyo, will be attracted here sa inyong energy na napaka-positive. And this is you, no? Hindi ka na nga talaga rito mamukaan, no? Hindi dahil sa siguro kung meron ka man dito malaking ginawa na pagbabago sa iyong physical appearance, it's more than that, no? Iba, naging successful ka talaga at ito yung klase ng energy mga babes no, na tinatapakan at tatapakan mo. This mga palay right here, hindi ka na rito mawawalan, mauubusan. Never ka nang short dito sa pinansyal no, and you can buy here all the things that you want, even the expensive and luxurious na mga pwede mong i-purchase dito. You can buy right here double door na refrigerator if you want. You can buy that 5-story houses right here, and you can buy more in the future, and this is already beginning right now for others of you, and yung iba sa inyo nagsisimula na ito at magsisimula sa taong 2025, and guess what, ilang kembot na lang, di ba, magsisimula na yung 2025, so I do not know kung kailan tong gathering na to, but people right here will notice you, no, na parang sino ka daw. Wow, they will be so amazed right here no, sa yung transformation, no? And they want to be like you, no? Gusto rin namin mag-take ng risk dyan. Paano mo ba na-conquer ang lahat ng mga hardships sa life mo, Five of Cups energy? Can you please tell us kung ano yung ginawa mo, ano yung mga tips, ano yung mga advice? Kasi susubukan namin gawin, we're gonna risk, no? Na gawin yun, we're gonna take that chance na gawin yun para ma-experience naman namin yung nai-experience mong kasaganahan sa life. What did you do? Diba? Parang lahat to sariling sikap mo, honey. Okay? This success right here, Six of Wands energy, this is a long battle right here na pinaglabanan mo. Nakita kita dito na talagang nag, uh, nag-struggle ka with your finances, with your problems, with your past traumatic experiences, with your nakaraan. Nag-struggle talaga ang marami-rami sa inyo. Pero ngayon, you're totally healed, no? And hindi ka nakaasa sa iba. Yeah. Okay, may mga tao dito nag-brighten up your day. Pwede ring in love kayo at may nagpapasaya ng inyong puso. Pero you are not relying yung overall happiness mo sa kanya or sa kanila, no? This is you. You can definitely make yourself happy right here, 105%. Yeah, you heard it right, no? Even though, no, without these people right here, you can fly, you know? You can fly. No, I'm seeing a lot of butterflies. No, wherein there are a lot of changes right here happening in your life and will unfold here in your life. No, for the next 6 months. Wow! And I'm seeing right here an Empress, and that is definitely you. I'm talking about you right here. Empress energy. At nakikita ko rito na yung iba, may good news rin tayo if you want na maging preggy or maging mom or maging parent na rito. Nakikita ko no, na born ng isang child ang nakikita ko for you guys. Yung iba iniintay mo talaga yan with your partner lalo na kung kayo ay expecting na magkaroon ng child. Matagal na. So that's a very good news. 2025 right here. No, I'm seeing you will be with this child or with this offspring, no, na talagang inyo. No? So lovely, great news for you guys. No? So I'm picking up right here na kung yan man ay hindi child sa inyo, no, it's a birth of a new life here for others of you, for some of you right here, no, and I'm sensing that, okay, 2025, no, will be more stable, more permanent, okay, and talaga naman na sa lahat ng stable, pinansyal ang nakikita ko dito. Tuloy-tuloy ang dito ang swerte mo. mahal mo sa iyong pinansyal. And yes, na these people right here, kahit yung mga may ayaw sa'yo, no, they wanna know your secret, nagkukumpulan sila rito, no, ano kaya, magpanggap kaya tayo na makipag-friend rito kay collective para malaman natin yung sikreto niya. Oras na para magbago na yung life natin, you know? Parang kahit hindi natin siya gusto, kailangan malaman natin yon. You know, yung mga bullies around you, yung mga people right here na ayaw sa'yo, they dislike you. See, they are also curious to know your secret right here behind your success. So definitely, you're really glowing. You're like a star. And Nine of Swords energy, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords right here. This is you are born to be different, honey. You are born to be different, honey, and that is your Ace of Swords energy, meaning that is your truth. That is your justice right here. Karma, good karma, no, has been served dito, no, and it will manifest here in your life. Abundance, more foods on the table, all the ulam that you want to eat, all the foods that you want to eat, no, there will be on your plate, no, at nakita ko dito, no, na your life will never be the same. Okay? And it's improving right now. You'll definitely see changes right here. And the people around you, mas nakikita at mas napapansin nila yon, no? Yeah, no? I explain ko lang furthermore yung ibig ko sabihin dun. Kasi you usually see yourself every day. So parang hindi mo napapansin that you're changing. Alright? But you're noticing it, no? Yung mga hindi natin nakakasama ng madalas, sila yung mas makaka-notice nun. So, if there's a gathering right here by the end of this year or as the new year starts, no, nakikita ko rito that you will receive a lot of compliments and good mga bagay na mga maririnig mo, no, from these people around you, no? So, yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you guys. I'm happy that you will step into this type of energy, lalo na magsisimula na ang ating new year. So, tuloy-tuloy lang rito mga babes na ang happiness, contentment, and satisfaction for you. So, muli ako po si Yan Sarang Heo, Love and Light. Annyeong!